Have you ever had a problem at a hotel? Do you know how to talk about it in English? In this video, you will learn English with a simple hotel conversation. Let's practice useful phrases together. Hello, welcome to our hotel.
Hi, I have a reservation.
What's your name?
My name is Tom Brown.
Let me check. I'm sorry, but I can't find your reservation.
Really? I booked it online.
I see.
Here is my confirmation email.
Thank you. Let me check again. Oh, I see the problem. Your reservation is for tomorrow.
Oh no.
Don't worry, we still have a room for tonight.
Really? That's great.
Yes, we can check you in now. Your room is 305. Here is your key card. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Something is wrong. The air conditioner is not working. It's very hot in here. Hi, this is room 305. I have a problem. The air conditioner in my room is not working.
I'm very sorry about that.
It's okay.
I will send someone to your room at 5 p.m. to fix it. Is that okay for you?
That works for me.
Great.
Hello, I'm here to check the air conditioner.
Thank you for coming.
Let me see. The filter was blocked, so it wasn't working properly. I have cleaned it, and it should work now.
Oh, it's working.
I'm very sorry for the inconvenience.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Are you checking out?
Yes, I am.
How was your stay?
It was good, thank you.
We are sorry for the trouble during your stay.
No problem. Thank you for your quick help.
We're glad we could help. Did you use anything from the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Thank you for staying with us. Have a nice day. How much did you understand? That works for me is a very useful phrase in English. We use it to say yes to a plan or time. It means the plan is good for you. Have you ever had a problem at a hotel? What happened? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.